Hi, Forsyth Virtual Students for Visual Arts for Mrs. Boynton's class. I'm going to go over with you how to upload your assignments and where to find some things because there's some confusion going on. Here's your home in It's Learning, and you're going to find all of your virtual stuff here where it says Visual Arts 1 Virtual Boynton. So I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to go to Student View so that I see things and you see things the same way when you're answering assignments. Here's your overview. You can find assignments here in Overview, here in Plans, and here in Resources. You can also see what assignments you've completed here in 360 Reports. And up here, you can click for your Google Drive. So here's your plans. You can scroll down and see more plans. These are presentations that you need to look at. This is a link symbol. Further down, you have more assignments. This is the symbol for an assignment. Anything you see that has this, you have something that you have to turn in. And this assignment here is a quiz. This icon right here is for quizzes. Then I also post announcements, but you'd have to scroll down to the bottom to see them. There's late work policies. There's announcements on how to upload photos in It's Learning. Then on the right side, you've got tasks. They're right here. These are things that you need to complete. And then you have my email address. I teach at North Forsyth High School. This is my phone number. That 1 is wrong. It needs to be a 7, and that's my extension. And this is my family. If I go over here, right here it says last week, view in calendar. These are the options you have for what you can look at. You can look at all past, all upcoming, last week, past 2 weeks, this week. And then over here, you have the unit, you have the lesson and how it's titled, you have the date, you have the description, homework, and the activities. And then usually you'll have the due date off here to the side. You can click and do your assignment here, or you can also find everything here in Resources. Right here on your left side of your tree is everything that you need. Unit 0 was for the first 2 weeks, and you need to do everything in here. It's best, I find it more organized if I just go straight to Resources, click on the unit, and then do each assignment in order. Where this little icon here, this is a link that you're going to watch. This is a document that you're going to read. This is your assignment you're going to answer. And in this unit, you have 5. You have 0.1, you have 0.2, you have 0.3. This one is making your Google Drive. Here are directions. This is the link to the Google Drive. Then you have unit 0.4. And last, you have unit 0.5, your syllabus and contract. Then you move on down here to unit 1. Now, if you need to upload a photo to an assignment, I'm going to walk you through that. We're going to do that on the next video.